Here's a thought to shake your universe. Earth has more than one moon. Yes, you heard it right. Now, before you rush to your windows to count, let's clarify something. We're not talking about massive, spherical, cheese-looking bodies like our beloved Luna. Instead, we're delving into the realm of mini-moons, transient moons, and the ever-elusive quasi-satellites. Picture this. You're an astronomer scanning the night sky. You spot a tiny object, not quite a star, not quite a comet, moving across your field of view. With some calculations, you realize this object isn't just passing by. It's trapped, at least for a while, in Earth's gravitational pull. This, my friends, is what we call a mini-moon, a small asteroid temporarily captured by Earth. But that's not all. There's a whole cast of cosmic characters orbiting our planet. Meet our quasi-satellites, objects that share Earth's orbit around the Sun, keeping a respectful distance while dancing around us. One of these, known as 2016 HO3, has been our constant companion for nearly a century and will likely stick around for centuries more. The common belief that Earth has only one moon isn't entirely wrong. Luna, the moon we all know and love, is indeed our only permanent, natural satellite. But it's not the whole story. Thanks to advances in technology and tireless work by astronomers, we now know that our planet is a lot more popular in the cosmic community than we initially thought. So next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember this: you might be looking at more than one moon. Now let's dive into the fascinating story of Earth's multiple moons. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, our planet Earth has always been known to have one faithful companion, our moon. But what if I told you that Earth has more than just one moon? Yes, you heard that right. This discovery traces back to 1994, when astronomers detected a strange object orbiting the Earth. They dubbed it Kutna, pronouncing it as Kru-Inya. This peculiar celestial body is not a conventional moon like the one we're familiar with. It's an example of what's called a quasi-satellite. Kutna follows a horseshoe-shaped path around our planet, and it takes a whopping 770 years to complete a single orbit. Imagine that. A moon that takes almost 8 centuries to revolve around the Earth. But the tale of Earth's multiple moons doesn't end there. Fast forward to 2006, and astronomers discovered yet another companion of our planet. This one was named 2006 RH120, or RH120 for short. This tiny rock, only a few meters across, is what's known as a temporary captured orbiter. It gets caught in Earth's gravitational pull for a short period, usually less than a year, before being flung back out into space. The discovery of these additional moons has sparked quite a debate in the scientific community. Are they truly moons, or just space debris caught in Earth's gravitational field? While the jury's still out on that, these celestial bodies hold immense importance. They offer us a unique chance to understand more about our own planet, the solar system, and the intricate dance of celestial bodies in space. So next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember, our planet isn't as lonely in the cosmos as you might think. It has more companions than we ever imagined. And that's the story of how we discovered that our planet has more moon companions than we thought. But what makes these extra moons so special and, quite frankly, weird, you might ask? Well, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a celestial journey to explore these mini-moon marvels. First off, let's talk about size. These extra moons aren't your typical giant spherical bodies like our main moon. Instead, they are tiny, often no larger than a few meters across. They're more akin to space rocks or asteroids than what we traditionally think of as moons. This small size is one of the reasons they often fly under the radar. They're just too small to be detected by most telescopes. Now onto their orbits. Unlike our main moon, which follows a predictable, nearly circular orbit, these extra moons have orbits that are highly irregular and unstable. Some of them follow a horseshoe-shaped path around our planet, while others have orbits that weave in and out of Earth's orbit. This erratic behavior is due to the gravitational influence of the Sun and other planets. making their paths around the Earth a celestial game of pinball. But perhaps the most intriguing aspect of these extra moons is their composition. Believe it or not, these moons are not made of cheese. Instead, they are composed of various types of rock and metal, much like the asteroids from which they are thought to originate. Some of these moons may even contain valuable resources, sparking interest in potential future space mining missions. So, why are these moons often overlooked? To put it simply, their small size, irregular orbits, and transient nature make them difficult to spot and track. Moreover, because they don't exert a significant gravitational pull on Earth, they don't affect our tides or other earthly phenomena in the way our main moon does. As such, they often go unnoticed in our day-to-day lives. So there you have it. Our extra moons might be small, but they sure are strange. From their size to their orbits to their composition, these celestial bodies remind us that the cosmos is full of surprises. And who knows, maybe one day these weird and wonderful moons will reveal more of their secrets to us. You might be wondering, what does it mean for Earth to have multiple moons? Well, the implications are more far-reaching than you might think. Let's start with the most obvious, the tides. Our moon's gravitational pull is a major driver of Earth's tides. So if we had more than one moon, the additional gravitational forces could lead to more extreme tides. This could have a significant impact on marine life, coastal infrastructure, and even our climate. Now let's consider eclipses. Our single moon perfectly covers the sun during a total solar eclipse, a coincidence of size and distance that's rare in our solar system. With multiple moons, we might experience more frequent eclipses, but they'd be different from what we're used to. Depending on the size and position of these additional moons, we could see partial, annular, or even hybrid eclipses. And what about the night sky? More moons would certainly make for a more crowded and perhaps more spectacular night landscape. Imagine looking up to see several moons, each with its unique features and phases. The additional light reflected from these moons could also make our nights brighter, which could affect everything from our sleep patterns to the behavior of nocturnal animals. On the scientific front, these extra moons could present exciting opportunities for exploration and study. Each moon is a world unto itself, with its own geological history and potential for hosting life. By studying these moons, we could learn more about the formation and evolution of our own planet, and perhaps even discover signs of extraterrestrial life. And let's not forget the potential for space travel. Future missions could use these moons as stepping stones to the outer solar system, establishing outposts for scientific research, resource extraction, and even human habitation. In essence, having multiple moons could reshape our understanding of Earth and its place in the cosmos. It could challenge our assumptions, expand our horizons, and open up a wealth of new possibilities. Who knows what secrets these extra moons could reveal about our planet and the universe? So, to sum up this cosmic journey, Earth, the third rock from the Sun, is not the solitary lunar parent we once thought it was. Instead, it's a celestial body with an intriguing family of moons. Alongside our prominent moon, the one we've come to know and love, there are other temporary moons, or mini-moons, that Earth occasionally adopts into its gravitational field. These mini-moons are asteroids that get caught in Earth's orbit, becoming temporary satellites. We dove into the tales of these multiple moons, their weird and wonderful nature, and the impact they have on our understanding of the cosmos. We learned how these mini-moons, with their erratic paths and fleeting stay, challenge our traditional view of what it means to be a moon. We also explored the significance of these discoveries, how they broaden our perspective of the universe and our place within it. These insights are not just about knowing we have more than one moon. They are about the larger journey of space exploration, the quest to understand our universe, and the awe-inspiring reality that there is always more to learn. And let's not forget the role of the human spirit in all this. The curiosity, the determination, the audacity to dream and reach beyond the confines of our world. From the astronauts of NASA's Artemis 2 mission, set for lunar flyby, to the vision of Elon Musk for colonizing Mars, these endeavors remind us of the infinite possibilities that lie in the realm of the cosmos. So keep asking questions, keep looking up and wondering. The universe is vast, filled with mysteries waiting to be unraveled, celestial bodies waiting to be discovered, and countless moons waiting to be known. And remember, next time you look up at the night sky, don't just look for the moon, look for the moons.